Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. Gonna check out the Sahara. Lots of changes in the past couple of years. Let's go inside and see what's going on, shall we? Many of the restaurants we see outside here, you enter from the inside of the hotel and casino. You have a choice of either eating inside if it's too hot or the weather's just uncomfortable, or al fresco out here in the beautiful Las Vegas open air. If you're trying to get your bearings and you're not too familiar with the Las Vegas Strip, we're pretty much at the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip at this point. Right across the street is the Strat. We also have the Fontainebleau, which just recently opened up here on the Las Vegas Strip. Circus is up here, as well as Resorts World and the Fashion Show Mall, and that's pretty much the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip. We also have the Westgate up here, which is about 2 blocks east of the Strip, and that video's coming soon. For the most part, the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip has really undergone a lot of changes over the past few years. Lots of new resorts. The ones that aren't new pretty much renovated their resorts, with the exception of Circus. Considering all your options, Circus truly is a nice place to visit, but I wouldn't want to stay there, at least right now. Let's step inside and see what's going on at the Sahara. If you haven't been in this property in several years, you're in for quite a surprise. It's really undergone a lot of changes. As a matter of fact, for the past couple of years, I used to not enjoy coming here simply because of all the construction going on, but it's pretty much all done now and the place looks beautiful. Among many of the new things here at the Sahara is Chickies and Pete's. That's right, the same Chickies and Pete's that's in the Tropicana in Atlantic City and some other places as well. There's a video here on the New York channel if you'd like to check out what I ate at the Chickies and Pete's in Atlantic City. I believe it was crab cake. This is the Noodle Den, hand-pulled noodles, exquisite dumplings, and innovative twists on classic Chinese dishes, prepared right before your eyes in their exhibition kitchen. And as I said earlier, you could eat indoors here in any of these restaurants, as well as outside on the Las Vegas Strip. Here we have Bala Italian Soul. Chef Sean McLean brilliantly balances coastal Italian cuisine with creative innovations, making his dishes both unique and comforting. It's the perfect place to celebrate all that makes Italian food culture so incredible. The property is owned and operated by the Marullo Group, and it has 1,616 rooms, and the casino is a little over 50,000 square feet. Not the biggest casino in Las Vegas, but a nice one nonetheless. And you might hesitate being this far north on the Las Vegas Strip, but the Sahara has the northernmost station of the Las Vegas monorail. You can hop on the monorail right here in the Sahara lobby and be all the way as far south as the MGM Grand in the southern end of the Las Vegas Strip within minutes, with lots of stops along the way. And of course it works the other way around. You could be all the way down at the MGM Grand and feel like lunch at Chickies and Pete's. Just hop on the monorail. Right here is the entrance to Bizarre Meat by Jose Andres, a groundbreaking culinary experience featuring James Beard award-winning chef Jose Andres. This is the Tangier, a lounge where classic and retro meets modern and vibrant. They offer more than 200 brown spirits, including world-class selections of bourbon, scotch, and cognac. The Magic Mike Mail Review Show is here at the Sahara. The Magic Mike Theater is upstairs. Let's go check it out. Don't forget, if you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, please subscribe. And if you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate your support, guys. Hold on tight. Here we have the Casbar Lounge, located right off the hotel's casino, where you can enjoy top-notch spirits and cocktails in the perfect backdrop for conversations over libations. Libations being a fancy word for adult beverages. Casbar Lounge also has live entertainment during the busier times of day. And again, everything is pretty much new here. For the past several years, it's been nothing but scaffolding and tarps. It looks really good if you ask me. Here we have Zephyr's Cafe. Zephyr's menu offers recognizable breakfast and brunch favorites, as well as a staple of comfort dishes, all with a unique twist. I hear they have great steak and eggs. I wouldn't know, but I'm dying to try that Grand Marnier French toast of theirs. What a way to start the day. And this is Uno Mas Street Tacos and Spirits. Enjoy the vibrant flavors of Mexico with only the freshest classic Mexican ingredients prepared using modern techniques. Here you can also enjoy the sounds of Latin America and hand-shaken cocktails. This is Azillo Ultra Pool, or at least the entrance to it. Discover the vibrant oasis of Azillo Ultra Pool and escape the desert heat in style. As you can see, security's waiting to see my room key. I don't have one. One of the things I like about Sahara is, sure, everything is brand new and shiny, but there's a lot of nods to the old school Las Vegas. In the art, in the furnishings, you see a lot of references to the Rat Pack, Elvis, Liberace. If you look around long enough, you really see that they blended the two nicely. Lots of these celebrity photographs are from the 60s and 70s right here at the old Sahara. Hey, if you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, make sure you check out the New York Las Vegas playlist. It'll help you with your plans with regards to hotels, casinos, restaurants, shopping, attractions, you name it. If you're planning a trip, that's the place to go to get some really great ideas. Of course, there's shopping here at the Sahara. Not much, but I'm sure if you left something at home and it's essential, you'll find it here. This resort initially operated under the Sahara name from 1952 to 2011. It began to decline in the 1960s with the opening of several large resorts nearby. They even added a NASCAR-themed attraction that included a restaurant and a roller coaster known as Speed the Ride, but it just didn't help the place economically. The Sahara was closed in 2011 as it was no longer considered economically viable. In 2013, it reopened as the SLS Las Vegas, and it featured a chic and modern design that was targeted at the Southern California crowd. My vlogging days here in Las Vegas actually go far enough back that you can see SLS videos here on the New York channel if you search for them. Finally, SLS was renamed Sahara Las Vegas in 2019 as part of ongoing renovations of the property. And right here we have the entrance to the monorail. Again, the entire Las Vegas Strip is at your doorstep right here. No worries about Ubers and walking and parking and all that other stuff. Minutes away, you can get anywhere on the Las Vegas Strip. Here we have the Fab Four doing $10 spins. I hope they can afford that. Speaking of the Beatles, in August of 1964, the Sahara paid $25,000 to the Beatles, that was a lot of money back then, to perform in Las Vegas and stay at their resort although their performance took place at the nearby Las Vegas Convention Center, as the Sahara's 600-seat showroom could not handle the crowd size of a Beatles concert. Also in 1964, a rooftop fire at the Sahara caused nearly $1 million in damage, again, a huge amount of money back then. Firefighters put out the fire with thousands of gallons of water, which soaked through the main casino area's ceiling and also flooded the main showroom. But these areas opened shortly thereafter, and for its reopening, the Sahara sign advertised, "Visit the hottest casino in town." Every time I see the word etc., it reminds me of a junior high school teacher I used to have, a history teacher, who ended almost every sentence with etc., etc. Almost every sentence. It became annoying after the first, 5 minutes. Etc., etc. I'm gonna be saying that all day now. Don't forget, guys, if you'd like to support the New York channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath this video that you're watching. Doing so will help support the channel, make videos like this possible in the future, and also get you a shout out in the near future. Gonna catch the monorail to the West Gate. Come along with me. That'll be a separate video. Hope you enjoyed the Sahara. Etc., etc.